which I'm using, I downloaded from somewhere. I don't know if that's legal or illegal, but I got it from somewhere. And it's a beautiful font. And if you want, I can post the link in the description below. Check it out if it's there. And let's write something. Suppose I write, music is life. I think I wrote it in white. It's not visible. Let's go black. And that's how beautiful it is. See how beautiful the font is. Now, suppose I don't like the kind of M which is in here. Okay, I don't like the M. I want to change it. What do? I select the M, go to Windows, select Glyphs, I don't know how you pronounce it. Select, go to Alternates for selection. This will show different kind of alternates that I have for this particular alphabet or letter. Now, select any one you like. Whoa, now that's beautiful. Okay, suppose I want to change L. Select it. Select the one you like. Bingo. Select E. Select the one you like. Oh, I have a lot of choices here. I would go with this one. This is beautiful. Now, there's a problem here. What's the problem? Problem is there's a lot of space between S and L here. We want to reduce that. How do we do it? We don't want to decrease the size of the font and decrease the size of the space. There's a very easy way out. That is, select the space between S and L. Press and hold Alt or Option in Mac and keep pressing the left arrow key until you think the spacement is alright. Spacement, I don't know, whatever. Okay, we are good to go. Let's go to another layer. Select the text icon. Okay, click here. And now select ornaments. You have a lot of ornaments to insert right now. So if I click on this, this is an ornament. I can move it and add anywhere I like. Maybe here, maybe here. It's looking beautiful here. So that's what an ornament is, and you have a lot of ornaments to choose from. So that's why I like this font. You have a lot of customizations to it. Not only this font, a lot of fonts have customizations. You just have to go Windows, Glyphs, and there you have it. You have to do, suppose you want to change the C. Let's turn the ornament off. Suppose I want to change the C. The text option is selected. I'll click here. The character bar. The character bar panel opens, and then I click here, and then I go to Open Type, and I go Stylistic Alternates, and then I have an alternate. That's how you do it when you are on an older version of Photoshop. Now this being done, let's turn it back on. And now let's bring in an image. Let's take it to another level. So let's group these two layers, and I have an image where I can insert this text. Now the thing is, what if I want to move the whole group to another document? I'm not talking about copying and pasting. I'm talking about moving the whole group, I mean both the layers, to another document. What do we have to do? The group is selected. Now click here and go Duplicate Group. Select the image that you would like to transfer to. For this example, it's piano.jpg where we have to transfer the group to, and click OK. And when I open it, you'll see the whole group is transferred here. Now let's resize this thing and arrange it somewhere where it will look good. It looks good, but the thing is, the black is not visible now. Now let's change the color. To change the color, if I select the group, both the text layers are selected. I'll go to T and then change the color from black to white. Does it change color? No, it doesn't. I have to select the text layers. To select both the text layers, what do you have to do? Click on one, hold the control button or command on the Mac and click on the other. Both of them are now selected. Now go to T, select the color white, and you're good to go. Now it's looking beautiful. Let's now resize it. But there's another problem. The problem is the portion of the M which is above the metal, which is the background of which is white. The problem is it's getting mixed with it. We want it to stand out. We want it to show some contrast. So what do we have to do? We have to darken the background a little. For that, select the background layer, add an adjustment layer. Add an adjustment layer of solid color. Select black. Okay. And now let's decrease the opacity to around 50-ish and it's good to go. So it's looking beautiful. If you want to decrease the opacity further, you can, but I think for this example, 40, 45 is fine.